Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView to Delta Exchange. First, log into your Delta Exchange account. Navigate to your profile or settings, then find the API management section. Here, you'll generate a new API key and secret. It's crucial to copy both of these immediately and store them safely, as the secret key is often shown only once for security reasons. This is the first essential step for a successful connection. Next, open TradingView and set up an alert for the strategy you want to automate. When configuring your alert, look for the webhook URL option. This is where you'll paste the specific webhook URL provided by Delta Exchange. This URL acts as a bridge, allowing TradingView to send your alert signals directly to Delta Exchange for execution. Make sure the alert conditions are precisely what you intend. Now, head back to Delta Exchange. In the API management section, you'll need to configure the API key you just created. Enter the API key and secret key into their respective fields. Crucially, you must set the correct permissions for this API key. Ensure it has the necessary access for placing and managing orders, but avoid granting unnecessary permissions to maintain security. Double-check all entries before saving. Finally, it's time to test your setup. Initiate a small, low-risk trade or alert from TradingView that should trigger your webhook. Then, immediately check your Delta Exchange account to confirm that the order was received and executed as expected. This verification step is vital to ensure everything is working correctly before you commit to larger trades. If there are any issues, review your API keys and webhook URL. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.